My name is Andrew Simpson. I'm Head of Fine and Country, covering area from West Somerset, North Devon, North Cornwall and Mid Cornwall. Fine and Country is a global brand, differing from our competitors in many ways. Our outreach of 300 offices across the globe, 225 of which are based here in the UK. The head office in the UK is in central London, fronting Park Lane, arguably one of the most prestigious positions of Mayfair. So we deal with a wide range of premium properties, from luxury homes on the cusp of the cliff top with breathtaking views, to those that are situated on the more rugged terrain of wonderful rural environments, encompassing equestrian, holiday complexes and commercial lifestyle homes. Our high-end clients benefit from a range of services, truly local, regional, national and international marketing. We've had a proven success of achieving some outstanding results for our clients, in many cases setting record prices with what we've achieved with our hard-working team who have exceptional local knowledge as well as access to those international and national marketing channels. You can be sure if you instruct Fine and Country, our service is second to none. From our communication to you, our support with regard to our company viewings, our follow-up, our sales progression is something completely bespoke to your needs. Here we endeavour to achieve the premium price by capturing the national and international market. One of those examples are our property exhibitions, which we hold regularly at our central London office and also at Guildford in Surrey, where our demographic target audience is looking to migrate westwards on a regular basis, making sure that your property achieves a premium price. So List Globally is a phenomenal tool for us because it spans over 53 countries and properties are uploaded to no fewer than 73 portals, which has access to some 101 million potential buyers, which is a phenomenal marketing powerhouse, ensuring to make sure your home sets itself up in front of as many people as possible. So if you instruct us, you'll have a bespoke marketing plan, and that means a whole host of different marketing avenues for you. We deal with digital, from aerial images, aerial videos, internal digital walkthrough tours, a social media campaign, and as well as company viewings and the best advertising in printed media as well. We also have a dedicated PR department who are based in our London office. They're regularly pitching stories to journalists on individual properties and unique features, such as tennis courts, swimming pools, for example. The benefit to the client in that regard is that you qualify for free national advertising, and having the access to those channels really makes sure that your property is put on the national stage. You can be sure when you contact Fine and Country, our team members have knowledge, discretion, experience and a track record of dealing with properties at the premium end. To get in touch with us, please contact us via our website, where myself and members of our team will be delighted to come out and talk to you about a bespoke marketing plan that can be done with no charge at all.